The time has come. It's come. And I'm super excited. So, I'm going to meet my friend Gary from the YouTube channel Urban Yarns. Now, if you do not know Gary, you should go check out his channel. But he lives in Vancouver, Canada, and he is flying this very moment. He is on a plane to come and see me. He's been on a plane all day. It's now 10 till 7 my time, and I'm going to pick him up at the airport. The airport is an hour and a half away from me. So I'm very excited to meet him. This will be the first time ever meeting him. And I know a lot of you know Gary already.
Hi, it's Gary.
Can I hug you?
Oh. There's Gary. He's getting his luggage. And then we're going to head out to the car. If we can find it. All right, we're at Walmart. And Gary's going to see the...
Crystal's Walmart.
He's in my Walmart. Not, I don't own it, you know. It's just
I'm going to see Mainstay.
He's going to see some Mainstay on because they don't have that in Canada.
Gosh.
So. Gary. My, he's so sweet. Just like he is on video. It's so interesting. He's talking to him, you know, learning, because I'm in the U.S. and he's in Canada. It's interesting learning the differences between our countries. This is going to be a really fun time.
Hey!
It's Gary! Gary's checking out the hand dyed. Gary's having a heyday over here.
Oh my god.
A yarn day.
Awesome. It's totally my color. I love that. Super, super soft. This is what I'm getting. I already got some. I think it needs to be something mapley because you know what? I'm from Canada.
Maple is fine. I love maples. Hi everybody, look who's with me. It's Gary.
Hey everyone, look what I got from Rose.
His first time at Joann's his whole life.
No
look at
way.
him.
Finally.
Finally, he says.
The fabric and crafts.
Yeah.
What kind of mustard?
Yellow.
See?
Why?
No. Actually, the she was drawn to this color.
Yeah.
Rose was, but
Yeah.
she's not happy with the name of the color.
What's
No.
the name of it?
Brown
It's
mustard.
brown mustard.
That's like
And
Dijon.
he said on his hot dog, and I was
What?
like, it's brown mustard.
Brown mustard's like
Dog.
Dijon, right? And honey mustard.
Yeah.
Yeah, all
Not
great.
even
Yeah.
like
Gray? Did you say gray?
It's like a great,
What?
great poupon.
Yeah, gray poupon. Yeah. Well, I'm crocheting and he's knitting. But we're outside. Let me turn the camera. It's beautiful, beautiful weather. There he is. This is what we're doing on this fine Saturday afternoon. Beautiful,
Perfect
beautiful.
weather.
What's the temperature today?
I don't know. I can look this.
65. I think we're in the 70s maybe.
Good guess.
And then this is Gary's last day.
It is. It's so sad.
Tomorrow I gotta take him back to the airport. And then
76.
76. It's gonna be raining though
It's
this
like
evening.
76 or something.
So we're enjoying it before the rain.
Yeah, it's been perfect weather.
Isn't this great? Gary's knitting. It's the best. Show
What
my
are you
ear
making? Are you
knitting.
allowed to show what you're making?
Oh, I'm making a blanket kind of. It's gonna be a smaller blanket, but
It's nice. I like
out
it.
of my favorite ice yarns. And some Bernat. I think it's super saver. Oh, premium value yarn. What are you making, Gary?
I'm making a shawl.
Isn't that beautiful? Gary's is so much better than mine.
It's no, it's not.
Yes.
It's upside down. So I'm building it a cast on for the top part of it, and I'm just working my way down to the edge. So it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger as it
Isn't that pretty?
cramming up on my little needles that I have right now.
Excellent. Little piece of Canada right here with the tree.
Yep.
He is coming back, aren't you?
Yes. This is